Yeah, bloody good day for it. Go for a little swim. Bloody down the steps and what. Oh my gosh, mate! Crazy Monkey Steve, what are you doing here?
Hey guys, Crazy Monkey Steve here. I'm just at Butcher's Pool.
Wow. What do you do at Butcher's Pool, mate?
Well, I'm not allowed to pop my nose here,
Oh,
so I'm just cooling off
wow.
after a long night's drive, you know.
Yeah, what's been happening? Any news?
No news.
How's old Ulaka Kakshamanahana?
He's chilling, eh?
Wow.
He's up in the big apple, the big A.
Oh, nice.
He's up in the Sky Tower.
Holy,
Yeah.
popping monies, I suppose. Eh?
You're definitely popping nose up in the Sky Tower. Hey guys, Crazy Monkey Steve here. So I'm back in the Topals, and I was a little bit hungry after a long days of work, you know, and I decided to go to Burger King. And I saw a new item in it was called Buttermilk Chipotle Burger. Fuck, cost like $12 though, but they said they had no jalapenos, and I was like, just switch it with some pickles. Tastes exactly the same. Look how beautiful that looks though. Let me get a bite of this. That's the one, baby. Hey guys, Crazy Monkey Steve. Just went in the One Party, where everyone gets a bargain. Cooked up some M&M's, pretty big bucket. Some Gatorade for the top G, Crazy Monkey Steve. Now, you want to see what's in here? You want to see what's in here? What we got in here? Oh, M&M's, baby. The M is for Crazy Monkey Steve. Hey guys, Crazy Monkey Steve. That's shacked up. Hey guys, Crazy Monkey Steve here. It's been a top G day, so why not I thought top it off with a top G cigar. Gotta burn it up around the corners like that. That's so much.